Every year, September 16th is celebrated as World Ozone Day with a specific theme. This year's theme is Montreal Protocol Advancing Climate Action. Background of World Ozone Day. History of World Ozone Day. World Ozone Day is celebrated annually on September 16th. It was established by the United Nations General Assembly in 1994 to raise awareness about the depletion of the ozone layer. Significance of the World Ozone Day. World Ozone Day serves as a reminder of the successful international cooperation and efforts to protect the ozone layer. It highlights the importance of adopting sustainable practices to mitigate climate change and protect human health. Overview of the Montreal Protocol. The Montreal Protocol is an international environmental agreement. It was signed on September 16, 1987 in Montreal, Canada, hence its name. The primary goal of the Montreal Protocol is to protect the ozone layer by phasing out the production and consumption of ozone-depleting substances. It aims to reduce the production of substances such as chlorofluorocarbons and halogens, which are known to contribute to ozone depletion. Reduction of ozone-depleting substances. CFCs widely used in industries such as refrigeration and aerosol propellants were phased out under the Montreal Protocol. The phase-out of CFCs has led to a significant reduction in ozone depletion, as CFCs were the major contributors to the destruction of the ozone layer. Apart from the CFCs, the other ozone-depleting substances like halogens were also targeted for phase-out under the Montreal Protocol. The phase-out of halogens and other ozone-depleting substances has further contributed to the protection and preservation of the ozone layer. Recovery of the ozone layer. The Montreal Protocol established a robust system for monitoring and accessing the state of the ozone layer. This system includes satellite observations, ground-based measurements, and scientific assessments, providing crucial data for understanding the ozone layer's recovery process. Due to the implementation of the Montreal Protocol, there have been a noticeable success in the recovery of the ozone layer. Significant reductions in the concentration of ozone-depleting substances have resulted in the healing of the ozone layer, with positive trends observed in various regions of the world. Mitigation of climate change. The measures taken under the Montreal Protocol to protect the ozone layer have also had significant co-benefits in terms of climate change mitigation. Many of the substances phased out under the protocol, such as CFCs and HCFCs, are important greenhouse gases, so their elimination has contributed to reducing global warming potential. The actions taken under the Montreal Protocol have contributed to achieving global climate targets. By mitigating the release of ozone-depleting substances, the protocol has helped in minimizing radiative forcing effects and fostering a more sustainable and climate-resilient future. Emerging ozone-depleting substances. As scientific advancements continue, new substances that have the potential to deplete the ozone layer may emerge. It is crucial to strengthen the mechanism for identifying and regulating these substances promptly. Robust monitoring and research systems should be established to detect and analyze the presence of any new ozone-depleting substances in the atmosphere. This enables swift action to be taken to limit their production and use. Despite the progress made in reducing and consumption and production of ozone-depleting substances, illegal trade of such substances remain a significant challenge. International cooperation should be enhanced to enforce regulation and impose severe penalties on those involved on illegal trade of ozone-depleting substances. This includes strengthening border controls, increasing surveillance, and promoting information sharing between countries. Impacts of climate change on ozone recovery. Climate change plays a role in the recovery of ozone layer. It impacts the circulation patterns and temperatures in the stratosphere, influencing the rate at which ozone-depleting substances break down and ozone is restocked. Feedback loops between the ozone depletion and climate change can intensify the challenges faced in both areas. For example, ozone depletion leads to increased surface UV radiation, which affects climate-relevant processes on Earth. Strengthening international cooperation. 1. Enhanced implementation and compliance mechanism. 2. increasing global participation in the Montreal Protocol. 3. Promoting technology transfer and capacity building. United Nations Environment Programme. The United Nations Environment Programme (UNEP) plays a crucial role in facilitating the implementation of the Montreal Protocol. UNEP provides technical assistance and capacity building support to member countries in the efforts to phase out ozone-depleting substances and advance climate action. UNEP has implemented various initiatives to support ozone layer protection, such as Ozone Action Programme and the Green Cooling Initiative. These initiatives aim to promote the adoption of ozone-friendly technologies and practices, raise awareness about the importance of ozone layer, and facilitate the transition towards sustainable and climate-friendly alternatives. Multilateral Fund for the Implementation of the Montreal Protocol. The Multilateral Fund for the Implementation of the Montreal Protocol is a financial mechanism established to assist developing countries in their efforts to comply with the requirements of the protocol. The Multilateral Fund allocates funds for various projects aimed at ozone layer protection and climate action. Collaboration with other international agreements and organizations. The Montreal Protocol and the Paris Agreement on Climate Change share the common objective and mutually supportive outcomes. Collaboration between the two agreements enables the identification of synergies, promotes the integration of climate-friendly technologies, and strengthens collective efforts towards sustainable development and climate action. The implementation of the Montreal Protocol aligns with several sustainable development goals outlined by the United Nations. By addressing ozone layer protection and climate action, the protocol contributes to SDGs related to sustainable consumption and production, climate action, affordable and clean energy, responsible industry and innovation, among others. Global awareness and advocacy campaigns. 1. Importance of raising awareness of ozone layer protection. 2. Utilizing social and traditional media for advocacy. Theme for the World Ozone Day 2024. The chosen theme for the World Ozone Day in 2024 emphasizes the significance of the Montreal Protocol in advancing climate action. It highlights the importance of international cooperation and collective action in addressing global environmental challenges. By celebrating this theme, the achievements and ongoing effects in protecting the ozone layer are recognized. Seminars and conferences organizing events that bring experts, policymakers, and stakeholders together to discuss the achievements and challenges related to the Montreal Protocol. Public awareness campaign. Launching campaigns to educate the general public about the Montreal Protocol and its impact on climate change through social media campaigns and workshops and information materials. A recap of Montreal Protocol achievements. The Montreal Protocol is a globally recognized treaty that was put in place to protect the stratospheric ozone layer by phasing out the production and consumption of ozone-depleting substances. Significant achievements have been made since the protocol was first signed in 1987. The Montreal Protocol had a profound and positive impact on both the environment and the human health. Since the implementation of the protocol, the hole in the Antarctic ozone layer has started to heal and it is projected to be closed up by 2050, leading to a positive impact on global temperature. A roadmap for advancing climate action. The ongoing implementation of the Montreal Protocol has already helped to mitigate the effects of climate change by reducing the levels of ODS and their warming potential. The ultimate goal is to continue the phase out of all ODS, including hydrochlorofluorocarbons and hydrofluorocarbons, which are known as important greenhouse gases. Continued implementation of the Montreal Protocol is critical for advancing climate action as it can provide a framework for phasing out all ODS in a coordinated manner. The continued success of the protocol can serve as a model for future international environmental treaties, demonstrating the ability of nations to work collaboratively for a common cause. Thank you.